Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion jigsaw, PCC650B, part of the new growing linked system of high-performance tools. This tool delivers a new dust blower to aid in clearing debris and maintaining visibility of cut. A variable speed trigger 0 to 2500 strokes per minute, 3/4-inch stroke, and 3 orbital settings deliver the cut quality across a variety of materials demanded by the tradesman. This tool also features a shoe that bevels 0 to 45 degrees for angled cuts and comfortable over-molded grips to reduce vibration and fatigue while working. 20-volt Max Compact and Max Pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the Max Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. The 20-volt Max Jigsaw combines cut quality, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt Max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt Max.
Get precise with the CRAFTSMAN corded 5-amp variable speed jigsaw. Featuring a variable speed trigger, this saw offers tremendous control, as well as 4 orbital settings to adjust the cut aggressiveness depending on your material and application. A bevel shoe lets you pivot for angled cuts, and its lightweight design and contoured overmolded handle makes it comfortable to use. At the end of the workday, it can be stored conveniently within reach. Make clean cuts with the CRAFTSMAN corded 5-amp variable speed jigsaw. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.
These are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB jigsaws. The JS470E has a top handle, and the JS470EB has a barrel grip for even better control. These tools provide power, durability, and precision for any woodworking professional. A 7-amp motor helps you power through wood, aluminum, even mild steel. The no-load SPM ranges from 500 up to 3100 and has up to 60 Hertz. Constant response circuitry ensures that the desired speed is maintained when under load, so you never have to worry about inconsistencies in performance or precision. Simply adjust between 4 different orbital action settings to find the right blade stroke for both smooth and aggressive cuts. You can also bevel up to 45 degrees. Both jigsaws features a toolless blade ejection lever, so you don't have to touch a hot blade when it's time to change, and they're both equipped with a non-marring plastic overshoe that protects finer surfaces. An anti-splinter insert fits either into the overshoe or directly into the footplate. The ambidextrous lock-on allows you for long and steady cuts without compromising comfort. Internal precision control within the plunge system is designed to keep vibration low and enhance accuracy for extremely smooth operation. So these are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB top handle and barrel grip jigsaw. For more information on these tools, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.